This pillow is designed for tailbone pain. So let's talk about it. You can put it on your office chair. Say you have an office job and you're sitting on your office chair all day long and you need something to support your tailbone. This might be the right pillow for you. Also, long car rides. Say you drive for a living and you're in a car for a long time and your tailbone bothers you. This might be the pillow for you. So let's talk about it. It has a really soft to the skin fabric material, and on the back here it's an anti-slip silicone beads material, so it won't slip around on your seat easily. It is removable, so if you unzip it right here, you can completely remove this case and throw it in the washer. And it's just a really soft and squishy pillow. Nice quality. It does have a carrying handle here built in on the side, so easy to carry it around from place to place. Here I have an office chair that I was sitting in, and I'll just show you how it works. Just sit down like this. So here I just wanted to show you what it looked like on a wooden chair. So say you're eating lunch or dinner, it fits nicely on a standard kitchen wooden chair. And here it is in my vehicle, fits nicely. I have like leather seats, so the anti-slip silicone beads really help secure the cushion in place. Comfortable, easy to install, nice quality.